Hello, good evening, my dears. Welcome back to our English class. How are you, my dears? Hope all of you are going on well. Okay? Good. In the first lesson, we have read the story Life with Grandfather. It depicts an interesting story of Raja, a little boy growing up under the care of his grandparents. And also, there exists a strong bond of love and affection among the members of the family. Likewise, today we are going to learn a poem, The Little Boy and the Old Man, written by Sheldon Allen. In this poem, he speaks of similarities between childhood and old age. The poem focuses on the human need for love, care, and acceptance. It also stresses on the importance of providing individual care and attention to each member of a family. Okay, my dears, shall we move on to the poem? Okay, now you take your text, page number 25. Look at the title. What is the title of the poem? Yes, very good. The Little Boy and the Old Man. Okay, who is the author? Yes, very good. Sheldon Allen. Okay, now let's know more about Sheldon Allen. Sheldon Allen, popularly known as Shel Silverstein. He was born in 1930. Sheldon was an American poet, singer, cartoonist, screenwriter, and author of children's books. The Giraffe and a Half, The Giving Tree, The Missing Piece, A Boy Named Sue were some of his works. His famous work, A Boy Named Sue, won the 1970 Grammy Award. He was the recipient of 2 Grammy Awards. The Little Boy and the Old Man is taken from the book Words Alive, which includes a number of poems. He was died in 1999. Okay, my dears, now I recite the poem. You listen carefully. The Little Boy and the Old Man by Sheldon Allen. Said the little boy, sometimes I drop my spoon. Said the little old man, I do that too. The little boy whispered, I wet my pants. I do that too, laughed the little old man. Said the little boy, I often cry. The old man nodded, so do I. But worst of all, said the boy, it seems grown-ups don't pay attention to me. And he felt the warmth of a wrinkled old hand. I know what you mean, said the little old man. Okay, my dears, did you get the idea of the poem? Yes, okay, it's very good. Listen to me. Even if it is a small poem, it conveys a big message. Before getting into the poem, let me ask you one thing. Children, do you have grandparents at your home? Do you love them? Do you spend time with them? Okay, very good. Even if we are in a fast life, we should not neglect them. We should spend time with them. We must care the old people and the little children also. Okay, dear students, I'll give the detailed explanation. Listen carefully. Children, the poem is like a conversation between the little boy and the old man. Listen to me. The little boy says, sometimes the spoons drop from his hand. Then what does the old man say? Yes, very good. It happens me also. That means the old man says that his spoon also drops from his hand. Drop means let or make something fall. It shows both of them are very weak to hold spoon tightly. They are equally weak in physical and emotional conditions. Okay, then what did the little boy say? Yes, then the little boy whispered, "Sometimes I wet my pants." What do you mean by whisper? Whisper means to speak very softly. Here the little boy said very softly that he used to wet his pants. That means he used to pee on his pants. Then what did the old man say? Yes, very good. By hearing this, the old man laughs and agrees with the little boy that it happens to him too. Here we can see the old man is compared as the little boy, isn't it? Why is it so? Yes, very good. The little children needs support of their parents to do things. Likewise, when people get old, they also need support from their children or other people. Then the little boy says, "I often cry." Then the old man nodded his head as agreement. "I also often cry without seeing others." Often means frequently or many times. What do you mean by nod? Nod means move the head up and down to show agreement. Okay, my dears, let's listen. What did the little boy say as his next complaint? Okay. Then the little boy says that the worst among all these that the grown-ups don't pay attention to him. What do you mean by grown-ups? Grown-ups means the elder people. By hearing this, the old man felt very sad to the little boy. Then what did the old man do? Yes, very good. The boy experienced the warmth of a wrinkled old hand. That is, the old man took hold of the little boy's hand and said, "I know what you mean." Children, what do you mean by warmth? Yes, very good. The quality or state of being warm. Then what do you mean by wrinkle? Wrinkle means fold on the skin. Children, please listen to me. I know what you mean. Why does the old man say so? Yes, the old man understands what the boy says perfectly well because he is also facing the same situation. Children, is the little boy or the old man satisfied? Why? Yes, very good. Both of them are satisfied. The boy is satisfied because he gets love and care from the old man. Then the old man is satisfied because he could make the boy happy. Children, we know when people become old, nobody listens to them. We won't care about their opinions and suggestions. We know that nowadays people are so busy with their works. They don't have enough time to spend with their old parents. The old people are always being neglected, maybe because they are sitting idle at their home doing nothing. In this poem, we could see little kids and the old people are equal. Both of them need support, love, care, and affection. Children, it's our duty to provide them whatever they need. So, children, you should love your grandparents and do for them whatever they need. Hope you understood the poem very well. Okay, my dears, now let's move on to the activity from page number 26. Activity 1. The little boy felt the warmth of a wrinkled old hand. Here, wrinkled old hand describes old age. Add a few more words describing old age. Here is an example given for you. Gray hair. Children, what will you write more words about describing old age? Yes, poor eyesight, trembling hands, sleeplessness, loss of appetite. Okay, then here is another activity 2. Pick out lines from the poem and rewrite them in the form of conversation. How will you write the conversation here? Here the little boy says, "Sometimes I drop my spoon." Then what will be the reply of the old man? Yes, very good. I do that too. Then what did the little boy say? Yes, I wet my pants. Then what will be the reply of the old man? I too do that. Then, little boy, I often cry. Then what was the reply of the old man? I also do that. Then the little boy said, grown-ups don't pay attention to me. Then what will be the reply of the old man? Yes, I can understand you. Okay, my dears, that's all for today. We will meet in the next class with the new lesson. Thank you.